Hey friends, we're going to look at how to use the drill press. Alright, so the drill press is a super useful tool. It's probably in almost every single shop that's out there doing work. It takes a drill bit, spins it really fast, and makes a hole. So the first thing we need to know about this is safety. Got to have your glasses on. You can't have long, loose clothing that can wrap up in there. And if you have long hair too, you want to make sure that you tie it back or put it in your shirt so that it's not going to get caught and wrapped up in there and suck you in. So we got to be aware of the safety precautions about this. Next up, we have the ability to move this table up and down. You don't have to worry about that. I'll worry about that for you. When you take the handles and move the drill bit down, if it doesn't reach, you come and let me know and I'll change it for you. If you're curious, if you're not one of my students, the way to adjust it is down here. There's this handle, which our handle's broke, but if you turn that, it moves this whole table up and down. So now we're going to drill a hole. We have to have a drill bit put into the chuck. So we have this chuck key that fits in this hole, and it turns this top chuck. When we go this way, it'll tighten up that drill bit. So I'm going to put my drill bit in here. I'm going to tighten it with my hand first. And then I always like to tighten it and spin it and make sure it's not just in two of the jaws to where it's going to be an oblong or not centered hole. So then I take my chuck key, I push it in that hole, and I turn it to make it tight. So now I'm ready to drill a hole. I have my drill bit in the chuck, I'm ready to drill. So I can push start and go down. But I'm not quite ready for that because I want to set the depth. So I don't want to drill through this whole thing, or I don't want to drill all the way through this piece that's just a base for me to sit on. So I'm going to move it down, and then on this other side, right here is the depth gauge on this drill press. Now this jet has a basically a nut on this threaded bar to where we move it down when we have our depth. So you would move the handle down, figure out what you want for a depth, then you would turn the nut down to where it hits the stop. And it takes a little bit sometimes. Okay, so now my drill bit won't go all the way through my lumber. So now I'm ready to drill a hole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I have it firmly in my left hand because my right hand is going to grab the handle and move it down. The other thing I want to warn you about, if you're drilling through metal, you should use a vise. Something to hold that piece of metal for you. You could even take this and you can put it down on the table and bolt it to the table. So if you're using metal, if you're drilling through metal, I recommend a vise, where if you're just doing wood, if you've got a wood project you're working on, you don't have to. You can hold that with your hand. So now we're ready to drill. We figured out where our stop is at, how deep it's going to go. We got the drill bit in, now we're ready to drill. So we're going to push start. Then we're going to hold our lumber with our left hand and then with our right. So if I am out of room here, I can grab the handle back there and move it down. And I'm going to let the drill bit do the work. As you can see, I'm not pushing hard on this. It's just one finger. And now I'm at the bottom of the hole. And I've drilled a hole. One thing I will caution you on, if you're drilling down too fast and you're forcing that drill bit in there, sometimes it can catch the lumber. It'll catch the wood and it'll spin it. Okay, it seems like it's really scary. It's not that bad. All you have to do is just grab a hold of wood and push it down. Not that big a deal. So when you drill a hole and you're at the bottom of the hole, keep the drill press on and then lift up the drill bit, and then you'll have a successful hole. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching today. Remember to be safe when you're using this stuff. Take all the safety precautions you can so that you can do this for many more years and not have an injury that affects you the rest of your life. Make sure to work hard, friends, because hard work is its own reward. And thanks for watching.